Alright.
You got video?
Huh?
Yeah.
Hey, could you give me that blue cell phone real quick? Where is it? The blue cell phone right there. Where the Kleenex is. Yeah, cool. Mark fell overboard. Wow, you go. Here you go. Woo!
Yeah, they're gonna come up.
They came up and got a bunch of air. They're gonna do it again. They're gonna blow the bubbles. Oh, what am I taking a picture for? Take a picture of nothing. Let me get out here, maybe. When they do come up, they'll be up for a minute. Even close enough? Should we go closer?
I think it's close enough.
Oh shit, this camera here is dead on me. Get a picture of that when they came up to the surface and fed.
Try waiting for a video.
That's what I'm doing. So they gotta be right here. The birds are right here.
There's some bubbles. There's some bubbles right here.
Right here, guys. Right here. Right here. Right here. Oh, right here.
Come and see this shit. Look at these bubbles right here.
Oh my god.
This is gonna be
right
freaking
here.
cool.
Right underneath us. Right underneath the boat. Here they come.
Hang on.
Oh, they went away.
Where's my life jacket? No, they're right here. They might be chasing feed.
Bubbles. Where are they at? That sounds bubbles.
They must be feeding down there.
They'll come up though. They're down there.
Oh, right here.
They heard that stomping in the boat.
They can come up with This is awesome. Nice. Down they go. Nice.
Yeah. I wanted to see their mouths open thing. That was so cool. And they all came up.
They're circling around. That's the first part of it right there.
Here they come. They're circling. Look at all the air they excel.
Wait, a bowhead bow, right?
Humpback.
That's what I said first.
Hey, humpback.
I said humpback Simba. I don't know about that.
Well, humpbacks have the long flukes on the side. You seen the long flukes on the side?
Yeah, when they fin turn upside on the side.
Yeah, that, if we would have been quiet, they would have been right in front of us.
That was cool. Come on, guys. Maybe they're swimming in a circle down below us. Yeah.
There's bubbles. There's bubbles.
Where?
12 o'clock.
Here. Right in front of us, bubbles.
Where?
Yeah,
Right
right in
here.
front of us.
Bubbles
Right in front of us. There they go. There's the pin. Come on. Come on, I need a picture. Nice. Jesus. Isn't that something? Hey guy, how's that? Is that cool or what?
Mhm.
It's freaking awesome.
Here they come.
One more time.
There's one right here.
I mean, that's nice and close. Look at that. What, 30 feet off, 40 feet off? Look at that shit.
Right here. It tells you so much. Right now. Oh, that's cool. Dude, that's got some power on that air hole.
I didn't think about coming up here.
Oh!
Oh,
Who
no
farted?
way.
Woo! Severe case of bad breath.
Is that bad breath or what?
Yeah. See that tail?
Did you email that stuff? Did you email that?